Finally, I've done it, guys. I have scienced for all of us. I have figured out the formula to rank on Etsy. You ready for this? It's science, so I've got a flashy looking formula. I'm not wearing my lab coat. We only used to wear that when we were going to blow stuff up. But I thought I'd share this amazing formula that I've discovered. So the formula only has 4 parts. So rank equals part 1, H, a combination of your lighting and photography skills. Part 2, E, this is the Etsy constant, so we just call it E. This is a random figure that Etsy never tells us. Part 3, L, this is lunar, this is the phase of the moon, because we know madness affects our shoppers so much. And part 4, P, help. Okay guys, you asked and I heard. Let's back this up and simplify this a whole lot. So selling on Etsy sounds complicated enough, but it's made even harder with all these terms that we throw about. And if you're a beginner, you might not even know what these terms are. So I just wanted to take a step back and explain fully what rank means. We say it all the time, it's so important to know your rank, to make sure you're ranking well, to rank. So putting it simply, when anyone types into the search bar on Etsy for whatever they're searching for, that produces the search page with a load of results, with a load of different items from different people's shops. And the rank just simply means where do you turn up on this page. So if you're right at the top of this page in the first position, you rank number 1, and the second position you rank number 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The reason why rank is so very important, obviously, is it's what helps shoppers find you. For most shops on Etsy, the majority of your views and therefore sales are going to come from Etsy search. They're going to come from people already on Etsy searching for you on Etsy. So if you're not found in search, then people aren't going to be able to find you so easily. So when we talk about improving your ranking, we're just talking about increasing your position so you get nearer to the top of the search. If you want a quick way to search and find out where you are ranking, you can use a free tool like Etsy Rank to type in your keyword, the name of your shop and the location you're searching for, and this will tell you what rank you are. It tells you what page number you're on and what rank you are. So if you're rank number 100, it means there's 99 shops ahead of yours when people search for that one search term. The reason location is important is because Etsy weights searches for shoppers based on where they live. It doesn't mean you can't sell worldwide if you choose to. It just means that when I'm in the UK, if I'm searching to buy something, then other items in the UK will just rank a little bit higher than perhaps items in Australia. So when you're looking for your rank, you can search for different locations as well. But I always try and rank for the UK first and foremost, and then for the rest of the world, which is going to be slightly harder later on. The things that can influence where you rank is what we call the Etsy algorithm. This is the thing that combines all the data points that Etsy wants to use to decide how you rank and processes them, puts them all together and decides what's the most important. Now, different things have different weightings and Etsy can change these all the time, but some of the basic things that are so important in where you rank is your SEO, and I have got some videos on SEO, and then other factors like how old their item is, how recent it is, another user experience on your item like hearts and views, where people have come from, how long they've spent looking at your item. Although things like views and hearts are factored differently depending where they come from. For instance, views and hearts coming from teams and forums are of less importance to the algorithm than views and hearts coming from people finding you on search and choosing your item out of all the others there. And Etsy is constantly having to tweak the algorithm to make sure it gives the best shopper experience and to make sure that us sellers can't game the system to try and get into the front with an item that buyers aren't going to want. So I hope that helps you to understand that rank is just the position that you're going to be in search, and search is so important to get seen and to get sales. So I'm Pam Duthie and I'm here to help you craft your career with creative marketing and artistic inspiration. Every Monday I make videos just like this, tips and tricks for selling on Etsy. So if this is something you're interested in, don't forget, click on my wee face to subscribe, check out the videos on Etsy SEO and come back every Monday. Thank you so much.